What's up, YouTube? Steeler Cards. Last box of the 6-box case. Hopefully, not the best case so far. So, box number 6. Tyler said it would be a good one. So,
Tyler also bought the cup.
you can never trust Tyler.
Don't buy the cup.
Brian, oh, dun 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 dun.
Brian, no.
Jake, seriously. And Tyler.
More Tyler.
Last box. Here we go. Please have something good. Rangers, A's, Pastor Nicky, Zimmerman, Freeman. Relic auto.
Oh, are you serious?
That's a good sign.
No, it's not.
Yeah, this is the first patch.
It's not a patch, though.
The second
It's
time.
not a patch. To share a Longoria,
It's gotta be
Hernandez, Reyes.
Has to
Come on, somebody good.
Cubs right there? 'Cause that might-
Oh,
Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs.
Thank
let's
you.
go, Tyler.
Dun 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 dun. Great job, Tyler. Dun 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 dun.
Are you crap?
Oh wait, hold on. Good pull, Tyler.
Yeah.
Here, is that for trade though? Oh my God. of course
Okay,
it's not for
first
trade.
I told
auto.
you this was my box.
Mariners, auto, Brian. Stop laughing, Justin. Brian Brickhouse for the Royals.
Good. Oh, who has him?
Oh,
Royals.
Royals go
Come on, be
too.
Bruno. Be Bruno.
Brian-O.
Wait, are you sure about that?
Nope.
Royals, I can't find it. Wow.
Waylon Rosario, and yeah.
Dude, you got
This
it?
is Jason M.
Jason M.
Hey, good pull,
The
Jake.
Royals.
Hey,
Dun, dun,
hey,
dun, dun, dun.
guys, buy the Cubs now, okay? I just pulled a Rizzo, guys. I'm pretty pumped.
Pastor
even
Nicky,
though I'm not
Gordon,
spraying.
Hutchinson, Longoria,
Wanna
Ron.
get up, Tyler.
Dude, is
Wow.
that really not for trade
Still
now?
one more auto.
Dude, now it's not for trade. Just cause Tyler got it. Like, he was like, I'll raffle it, dude. And now it's like, no way.
This is the worst case ever.
Euclid,
Let me
Mesoraco,
see it.
Bundy,
I almost bought that.
Erlin, and Shields.
So glad I didn't buy that for 30 though.
Thank you all for joining again, and don't listen to the people in the background.
You're welcome.
Brian, no.
Weaver, Beckett, Tyone, Zales, Hendricks.
I'm really happy right now. I don't care if I get any more cards except for National Financial Account.
I hope we get a Bauer in this last auto.
actually, so do I
Ortiz,
not.
Adams, Green, Lee.
What team's Bowman?
Oh, I don't know.
Diamondbacks? Who has them?
Oh, let's go.
I don't know, the guy with 3 hits.
I have one in
Two of them being-
We still haven't Trout again, Hawk Julie, Freddie Freeman Green. Still no numbered
better get
cards.
two
This reminds me of a YouTuber named Pete Bell Collector 21. Now, what was his name?
Matt Kemp, Santana,
Padres for life.
Joe Pan.